Good story.
You notice there the pronunciation, the T there, you barely stand. The pronunciation falls for the negative expression. Can, the intonation rises. But in negative, the intonation falls. Can, can't.
Can.
Can, can't. Can you swim?
Swim.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Yes, I can. Perfect.
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. Can you climb a mountain? Can you climb a mountain?
Yes, I can.
Perfect. Can you ride a bike?
Right?
Can you ride
a bike? Yes, I can.
Okay. Tell me something you cannot do. Okay. Can you write a letter in French?
I can to play snowboard.
You can't? Say that again.
I can't play snowboard.
Okay, you cannot play snowboard, or you cannot go snowboarding.
Snowboarding.
That's right. Okay. What about ski? Can you ski?
Ski in Spanish is esquiar.
That's right. Yeah. We don't need Spanish for the recording.
In Spanish is snowboard.
Snowboarding.
It's not the same.
It's something different.